Good morning, student. Today we will discuss some example related to how to find the domain and range. So exercise 2.3, question number 5. First question. Our question is find out the range of the following function. First question, f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x. X belongs to R and condition is present x greater than 0. Our question is find out the range. Here we cannot find the domain of this result, only find out the range of this equation. Now here f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x, that means 1 equation is present. Our question, okay, now here two condition is present. First condition, x belongs to R. That means here the value of x we can consider in form of R. And another condition, x greater 0. That means here we can consider the value of x belongs to positive value of R. So x greater than 0, that means we cannot here consider 0 also. Now here we can take some positive number. So take x is equal to 1. Now the value of x is equal to 1, substitute in this equation. So f of 1 is equal to 2 minus 3 into bracket 1. 2 minus 3, 3 into 1, that means 3. 2 minus 3 means minus 1. Now after x is equal to 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2 minus 3 into bracket x in place of written here 2. So is equal to 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6, that means minus 4. X is equal to consider 3. So f of 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 into bracket 3. So is equal to 2 minus 9, that means minus 7. X is equal to 4. So f of 4 is equal to 2 minus 3 into bracket 4. So 2 minus 12, that means minus 2. Now here we can substitute positive value, right? But our range is present in form of negative form. See here minus 1, minus 4, minus 7, minus 10. So our question is find out the range. Now here we get the range in form of negative form. So we can written here range is equal to this side minus infinity, because here we can consider after x is equal to 5. So we get f of 2 minus 15, that means minus 13. So here all this value going in negative side. So our range is minus infinity. Also here minus 1, x in place of, we can suppose substitute 0.1. So suppose x is, because here condition is present x belongs to R. So here x is equal to substitute 0.1 suppose. So f of 0.1 is equal to 2 minus 3 into bracket 0.1. So 2 minus 0.3. 2 minus 0.3, that means here we get 1.7. That means here we can return, okay, and condition is present x greater 0, that means 0 here we cannot substitute. So our answer is range is here 1.7, that means here we can return range is equal to minus infinity to open interval 2. Clear? Here we can substitute 0.2 also, 0.3 also. So here we get the range is between, which part range is between in positive 1.7 to all this negative value. So here we can consider our range is minus infinity, comma 2. Next one. Second one. F of x is equal to x square plus 2, and here also condition is present, x is a real number. So again here we can consider negative value, positive value, as well as 0 also we can consider. So suppose x is equal to, we can consider here negative value. So suppose we can consider minus 3. Now f of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 whole square plus 2. Minus 3 whole square, that means 9. 9 plus 2, that means 11. X is equal to, now consider minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole square plus 2. That means 4. 4 plus 2 means 6. X is equal to, consider minus 1. So f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square plus 2, that means 3. X is equal to, consider 0. So f of 0 is equal to 0 whole square plus 2, that means 2. Now here we can consider x is equal to 3. So again we get same answer. So is equal to f of 3 is equal to, we get 11. F of 2 is equal to 6. F of 1 is equal to 3. Right? So our range is all this value, here we get positive value, and here x is equal to, substitute 0. So minimum value is 2. So our range is going in positive side. So written here, range is equal to close interval 2 to open interval infinity. Right? Because here 2 is present, so we can consider close interval 2 to open form, infinity form. Next one. Third question. F of x is equal to x, and here condition is present, x is a real number. So again here we can 2 3 number we can consider in negative, 2 3 number positive form. So x is equal to, here we can consider minus 3. Now substitute in this equation. So f of minus 3 is equal to, f of minus 3 is equal to, here we get minus 3. X is equal to, consider minus 2. Now f of minus 2 is equal to, f of x is equal to x. That means here we can written f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 1. F of minus 1, that means minus 1. X is equal to 0. So f of 0 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. So f of 1, that means 1. X is equal to 2. F of 2, that means 2. Now here x is real number, that means we can consider x is equal to minus 0.5, minus 0.1. X is equal to 2 by 3, x is equal to 5 by 2. But here f of x is equal to x, that means any number we can consider, so we get same number. So here we can, our domain in position is real form, so our range is also, here we get real number. So here our range is equal to, we can say that, R. Now after exercise 2, question number 4. Our question is, find the domain, here also find out domain as well as range of real function f defined by f of x is equal to under root x minus 1. Now our question is, here find out the domain as well as range. So now here we can consider x is equal to any negative number. So f of minus 2 is equal to under root minus 2 minus 1, that means minus 3. And in under root form, negative sign is not possible. So this value we cannot consider. Now suppose x in place of substitute here minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. This value is also not considered. Suppose x is equal to 0. So again 0 is we cannot consider. 0 minus 1, that means minus 1. So that means here we can consider only positive number. So now start, x is equal to 1. So f of 1 is equal to under root 1 minus 1, that means 0. X is equal to, here consider 2. So f of 2 under root 2 minus 1, that means under root 1 means 1. X is equal to, substitute 3. So f of 3 is equal to under root 3 minus 1, that means under root 2, right? So on. So in domain position we can consider only positive number. So our domain, here we can return close interval 1 to open interval infinite form, right? So here domain position is minimum value 1 and 1 is also included in this form. That's why here we can return close interval form. So close interval 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 up to infinite form. So our domain is close interval 1 to infinite. Now after in position of ring, so here we can substitute the value of domain. So here we get minimum value is 0. Now after 0, 1, after this value is increase and all this value is positive form. That means our range is starting in minimum number is 0. So our range is, we can return here close interval 0 to open interval infinite form. So once again f of x is equal to under root x minus 1. Now here we can substitute any negative value. So here we get under root form is negative. Means here we get negative value in under root form. So this one is not possible. Now also we can substitute 0. So 0 minus 1, again negative value. So not possible. So only here we can consider positive value in domain position. Now substitute this value. So again we can, here we get the range is also in positive value. But in domain position minimum value is 1. So close interval 1 to infinity. It means any value we can consider between close interval 1 to infinity. And in range here we get close interval 0 to infinity form. Now next question. Question number 5. Our question is, find the domain and range of the real function defined by f of x is equal to modulus form of x minus 1. So here we can consider any number because here modulus form is present. So suppose x is equal to, consider minus 3. So f of minus 3 is equal to modulus form of minus 3 minus 1. So here we get minus 4, but mode form is present. So here we can return positive 4. Now x is equal to, substitute here minus 2. F of minus 2, mode of minus 2 minus 1, that means mode of minus 3 is equal to 3. X is equal to minus 1, so f of minus 1 is equal to mode of minus 1 minus 1, that means mode of minus 2, that means 2. X is equal to, consider 0, so f of 0 is equal to mode of 0 minus 1, that means mode of minus 1, so here we get plus 1. X is equal to 1, so f of 1 is equal to mode of 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1, that means 0. X is equal to 2, so f of 2, so mode of 2 minus 1, that means 1. X is equal to, consider suppose 3, so f of 3 is equal to modulus form of 3 minus 1, that means 2. So see here, in domain position we can substitute here any negative number 0 as well as positive number, and here talking in real number. So here we can suppose consider minus 3.5, minus 2.5, right? So all these real number we can consider here. So our position of domain is equal to, written here R. Now in case of range, here we get minimum value 0 and after remaining value is positive form. So our range is equal to close interval 0 to infinity. Clear?